Showing up on the biggest blockchain scene, Chilliz was authoritatively sent off in 2019, despite the fact that the seeds of thought for a socially empowered stage were planted in 2016, currently in the name and style of socios.com. Any games or experts on the planet can adapt the fan interest. Chilliz is a trailblazer in enacting and adapting a group of people through extremist fan commitment with most loved groups the board. It is a swarm control motor, fit for giving fans casting a ballot rights for any general games. Experts fans can decide in favor of their number one groups in the experts world. The blockchain-based collaborations through the Chilliz token have worked with gaming fans overall to project their help for their number one games groups by buying fan tokens by means of cryptographic money trade. It advances regular fan commitment encounters by engaging them to become forces to be reckoned with of any cutthroat element. Chilliz. The fan club. Another fan following variable arising on this scene of the Chilliz network is the local token CHZ, which empowers fans to trade Chilliz tokenized casting a ballot rights utilizing fan tokens. The token likewise give admittance to scrambled record of casting a ballot rights proprietorship. Fan Token Contribution (FTO) offers limited fan tokens. Avid supporters can uphold clubs like AC Milan, FC Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Atletico Madrid through fan token, which are accessible on fan commitment stage. Juventus Football Club was quick to send off a group token through the socios.com site. The site involves CHZ tokens as a selective on-stage money. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back, and an influx of thousands such flexible groups have turned into an indispensable main thrust of this stage, including a diverse blend of sports like football, ball, and esports groups. Aside from working together with the NBA group, the organization accomplices with Juventus and Paris Saint-Germain. In the event that the organization keeps on developing like this, the cost examination in light of Chilliz gauge will be decidedly impacted, making it a wise venture. Chilliz. The technical analysis. Chilliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in the span of 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with insight about achieving the degree of $0.0150, contrasted with its adversaries like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0.009 for a solitary Chilliz. However, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0.004 because of pandemic effect. The Chilliz, CHZ, cost spike that happened last year is associated to the declaration made by the Chilliz venture to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chilliz cost arrived at a lower $0.010, and till January 2021, it just showed a negligible recuperation. Nonetheless, the exhibition of Chilliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of $0.0340 by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ United States dollar on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of March, the cost of Chilliz reflected gigantic development, and it denoted another record-breaking high at the 89 cents mark. Nonetheless, from that point onward, the token confronted slight rectification, yet later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost stamped gigantic meeting and contacted $0.758, yet later, it amended down to 21 cents mark. Then, the cost of Chilliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again stirred things up around town mark, however later, it confronted sharp downfall and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways, exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it checked critical recuperation, and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. In any case, subsequent to hitting $0.5, according to negative signs, Chilliz has stamped constant negative pattern, and presently, it exchanges around 25 cents. content for CHZ gauge referenced on the site content depends on our expectation of least cost, obstruction level, greatest cost, and different pointers. We demand you truly do possess research recommending projected greatest cost, hypothesized value changes, and least cost, according to your assumptions for Chilliz conjecture. Specialists say on Chilliz, CHZ, coin cost expectation uncovers the Chilliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful conjecture predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year, and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. Value prediction according to Chilliz coin cost expectation specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chilliz, as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year. Constantly and the normal most extreme cost might be around 73 cents, which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. In January 2022 the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chilliz Cost Forecast 2022, Chilliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern, posing a potential threat in the impending not many years between 34 cents $0.5. We have made an aggressive bullish pattern for 2022, according to our Chilliz cost expectation specialists. It claims 2022 will be a faultless year for Chilliz, CHZ, considering all elements, and the resource could reach as high as $1.13 by long-term's time. As per Chilliz cost forecast specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chilliz could exchange around the most extreme cost of 23 cents. Market Chilliz forecasts anticipate the base cost to be as low $0.2 by July. The future Chilliz estimate holds brilliant for CHZ. It may not be an exaggeration to say it would surpass a bullish cost of 31 cents in 1 year or less. This implies an increment of 55% is assessed, which is an astounding money management choice in the span of 1 year of its ascent. Independent of its reception, CHZ Cost Forecast 2022 demonstrates CHZ will quite often confront intensity and show opposition till August 1 year from now. Going by Chilliz cost forecasts that bulls might be back, Chilliz ought to wind up somewhat higher, around 28 cents by 2024, best case scenario, on the cost diagram. A drawn-out increment is normal in light of wallet investor examination and Chilliz conjecture. The CHZ cost expectation for 2027 is $1.485. With a 5-year speculation in light of the ongoing value, the income is supposed to be around plus 638.81% in 5 years. Chilliz price prediction 2022. CHZ estimate predicts